Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts White Magic Spell. Let's see what are the messages for you. Do check out the Tam Predicts reading. It is so beautiful today. I can't even get to explain in words how beautiful it is. You got Star. Guaranteed success. So love-wise, money-wise, job-wise, you got a guaranteed success. You got a Caterpillar. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. You've got to listen to the other reading. I'm not going to tell you why you have to listen. There's a change. Things are going to move very fast for you. I can give you a hint. Things are going to move very fast. If they have been slow or they've not been, really active, or, you feel bored or there's boredom setting in, your life is going to change suddenly. The guy or the girl or whichever gender you thought, whoever's with you guys, if you thought, they're just lying low and, they're silent and they're not interested, you see the change in them. See, somebody's out of a life or end of a situation. At the end of a situation, you know what I feel? That the boredom or something you thought was dead, the relationship, that's going to change again. Or you thought, the person is not going to come back. Or things are over and suddenly everything will change. I'm telling you, get ready today, okay? You've got a tankard, celebration, fun, enjoyment. Probably you're going to do a cheers to that. I want to take this one. Month of the year. Look at this. July is going to be beautiful for you. You could be dealing with a 7 number, or you could be dealing with somebody born in July. You could have been born in July. You've got a dog close up. Pleasure with a close friend. So maybe a close friend does show interest, or maybe you'll have a good time. Maybe you'll go away like a... I was going to say camping by the river or the lake or something. You've got love. This card has been coming out, love. So there is love between you two, which is not died, okay? Look at this, marriage. What beautiful cards, guys. I told you things are going to change super fast in your life. Remember that, okay? What I said. Spirit guys, please give me more messages. Okay, I want to take this. February is important or was important. Number 2 could be important. Number 4 also I feel is important. You've got sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. For some of you, this is a fresh start, and exactly the words that I said there, I have to say it. So there's a fresh start, and with speed, there'll be no waste of time. It's like almost started, things are moving. New creative ideas. So you could be very creative. You could be getting new ideas. There could be new ventures. There's a fresh start with someone. The sun is rising. It's a beautiful, brilliant day. New things are happening. Almost sound like I'm singing a song. Maybe you like singing a song. Maybe they like a song. Or maybe you wrote a song. I don't know. A two-faced friend, cat. So just be careful, because look at the cat looking very docile. But here it's almost attacking. So just be careful, okay? Some friend is not wishing well for you, or probably is two-faced. On your face, they're like, yeah, this is very nice and I'm so happy for you. But somewhere they might be envious, okay? So just be careful. You've got a forest. So some kind of an unclear thinking that's been going on in your head would be cleared, okay? There's something that's troubling you. It's been sitting there for a while, and you don't know how to deal with it. That's the message that I get. You've got a turkey. I don't think we've ever had this card. Someone is behaving stupidly. Yeah, could be a friend, or could be somebody, you don't like the way they are behaving, this flew off. Heart, love, deep affection and caring. That's how the person is, okay? You've got love, and you've got love is like this for you. Astral house. And you've got marriage also. So the person you are with definitely maybe is going to propose out of the blue. Maybe you thought, they're never going to propose. I get that message too. Oh God, now I have to say this. I recorded the other reading right now before this, and today, I said it's going to be a Wheel of Fortune, and I drew a Wheel of Fortune like this because we had this card in the other one. And look at this, you've got the Wheel of Fortune. And in the messages that I do now, I'll have to show you guys. I drew a Wheel of Fortune, and I wrote Wheel of Fortune. I wrote a wheel. Look at this. Here it is. I'm actually recording this later than the other one. That was the first recording. Look at this, Wheel of Fortune, and look at this. You've got the wheel. Here it means indecisiveness. allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So be careful. This is your time, because your wheel of fortune, you know, it can change the way you're going to move. If you have an aim, if you have a plan, this wheel is good for you. But right now, the stars are aligned in a way that there is action time from them or from you, and you have to put things, you have to plan things, put them into action them, okay, not procrastinate. So please do not let it just you know, your life just go on aimlessly. There is a aim, otherwise the wheel will get wasted. I really feel this is a time of movement for you guys, so don't waste the wheel of fortune. And definitely wheel is a blessing. And I also wrote race car, and I wrote a car, so maybe you guys will buy a car, or maybe something to do with the car. You might buy a car, okay, I get that also. Broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So just be careful, you know, maybe you're not dealing with the problem well, there is another way. Just see that, because I feel a muddled thinking, okay. This is more to do with your work. I feel muddled thinking, aimlessly doing things, or not planning well and then putting it into action. So just be careful about all that. You've got an ant, you've got work, environment, success. So if you plan things well, because we started with the star card, okay, we started with the star card. So unless you plan things right, it's not going to be right for you. This is the time that is really good. So a lot of times, you know, everything is aligned well, but if you don't move, if you don't plan right, then it's of no use. You've got a candle. Oh, you will be shown the way. See, if you, okay, if you're feeling like there's muddled thinking, things are not going right, and you think, you know, things should be better, and there is something coming your way, so this is, you know, you'll be shown the way. This is so beautiful. The candle is lit and it's showing you the way, you know, where to go. So don't worry. You've got the tower, you've got solid foundation and success with effort. See, one after the other. You've got success, but there has to be effort from your side. You know, it just can't be like, you know, oh, things will happen on their own. Oh, I had a plan, but I did not action it. I had a plan, but I didn't have a strategy. I didn't think about it. So don't do all that. I feel this is brilliant time from the universe for things to happen suddenly. Movement will be quick, you know. Look at this beautiful energy. Feminine, very, very powerful. Okay, feminine, very powerful energy, and very caring also. Chop wood is also clean things, you know, clean things. When you this is chop wood, but this is like a broom, you know, it's like clean things. Open the door to opportunities. The door to opportunities is open. There is light shining in, and do something about it. Regeneration, look at this, of course, a restart. We got regeneration, restart. Even if things didn't work out, everything is burnt to ashes. This is lava, destroyed everything. The tree is growing again with the right love and care, you know, either business, work, or with the loved one. So there is a restart, and universe is giving you that time for a restart. And look at this, at the end of the deck I had a pineapple. It's reconciliation. It was just staring out at me here. It had turned, so I had to put it here in the reading. So guys, it's a beautiful reading. Do something about it. This is the time. Things are going to move very fast, so put your plans into action. Okay, so take care and have a great day, and I'll be back in another reading.